Hello everyone, I bring you a new video for financial markets again. We're going to use Alligator tool and scale the Fibonacci Fan. Let's start with the configuration to get a view. The first here is a tool with the Fibonacci Fan, alright? So just add this one by yourself. That's simple, okay? How do I draw it? Well, where does the movement start and where does it end? It's depending on the movement you're looking for. Where does it start? Well, here's this the point 1 to 0. I plot this like this. This fund has two options. That's it. If you notice, it has trend line and it also has horizontal lines. Where I'm going to look for the entry, I'm going to look for the entry and both points considered based on the trends. Okay, I'm going to add the zigzag guide indicator so you don't get lost with so much movement. The zigzag settings is default. So just add this one and let this in default settings. Okay, that's good. The expiration time will be 1 minute. It's on expiration date $24. That again start of this one. The time frame of 1 minute. It can now be 30 seconds, 15 seconds, but then on the reward with larger lines, it will be more complicated. But well, it can also be, right? So anyway, the expiration time always has to be 1 minute for you get analysis. So let's look for the first entry right now, guys. So it could be that here the entry would find us. I train the movement, and when I have it, I take the explain plane for you. Okay, so let's try to find this one. We got this right here. That's so good, guys. We can try to take a look on this one. I'm going to make this at a grid, and it's good because it's how me to identify the points. That's line. Okay. Now let's see that. Let's take a zoom on it. That's a little and look where the price is reaction. Okay. Guys, it's reaching the horizon Fibonacci. What an entry very close here. But since I saw the best entry, I entered on the upside. The zigzag will help me identify the movement. That's simple. Okay. And we're gonna get this one. Look at that, a few seconds remaining. That's so good. And we're gonna get, come on, baby. And we got the first, guys, again. The first successive one for $4. That's pretty good. Okay. So let's try the second one right now.
Hey, do you want to join a group where shares signals and strategies that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join, alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys.
That's important, guys. Remember that it can market support resistance. All right. Where the price reacts once, don't pass, goes up, come back here, doesn't pass, and doesn't go up. In 30 seconds, we just got intro for that and just perform that. It's a buy button. And that's it. It's simple to get this one. All right. So I saw that already. I rejected twice. No, 3 times. When I rejected the 4th time, I decided not to enter. In this case, when rejected the 4th time, I had to see this wood reaction. Why? Because there are already many totals, and if you notice this, it's happening. It's formed, arranging in a minute, and while seeing the 30 seconds candle with this strength, I entered there, and well, look, I entered in the middle of the movement. The 1 minute candle, but well, I have the position open. That's okay. So we need to wait for this one. It's a break in while it's coming back up. Okay, this is your one, guys. Look at that. $81 of profit. That's so good. That's very, very good, guys. Okay, so let's try to do the next one. Look, let's wait and see how the position. We can take this one. Okay. Let's quickly go to this pairs to explain that. That is nice. Something. Maybe I didn't explain very well how to use this. Click where the movement starts. Where it ends. Whether it's bearish or bullish, a 0 there. Configuration. Okay. I put it in hat so you can see that. Let's change this one. All right. Just adjust this one. Let's change the color.
Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it.
Yep, that's good. Okay. Guys, if the green candle were here, how would you ready to be lit? I queued out of the price action when the movement begins. Okay, and look at that. We got another one. Position 1 on this one, guys. $152. That's pretty good. All right. That's pretty good. If there is another block and I'm very close to do that, and I won't enter. But well, it still has run to run. As you can see that. Patience pays off. I took 3 upward positions. Look, I won the first one, the second one, and got the third one. That was very scared. But in the end, they demanded an above upward movements. Okay. And see the next candle. Close above the level, I entered upward and see the continuation of this trend line as well. That's it. The distance travelers, I increased my amount for 24 to 153. That's in Fibonacci 10. If you have any questions or concerns, you can leave them in the comments. And I'll see you in the next video, guys, and in the live broadcast on the channel. Bye-bye.